Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri and here in this small content we are going to discuss about a newly added utility method to the string class. Again, the name of the method is lines method in string class, which has been added from Java 11 onwards. So here, how can we use lines method to understand a demonstration? I created one string res where you can see the string values. Each words has been scripted into new line character slash n slash n slash n. Fine. So let me just create. So here, what is exactly lines method? Res dot lines you can see, which was earlier not there before Java 11. Fine, it is a newly added utility method from Java 11 onwards. So now here, if you will say lines, you can see the return type is string, stream of string, stream of string. So that means each word will be considered as a string and it can be stored in a list kind of thing. For example, let me just use array list al and let me just say the list type is string and let's say al equal to res dot lines and dot collect is a method and here collectors dot list collectors dot just a moment collectors dot list to list method. Fine, so this method I need to call and let me just give this semicolon here and change it to list. Okay, so let us not use array list, let us use only list. Fine, so here what we need to do is let us access the list. So by printing it, so let me say sysout or let's say and let's say al. So we can see all the strings in the sense all the words has been taken individually with respect to new line. For example, hello all, how are you, Gayatri, Misra. So everything has been stored in a list. Even if we want to traverse or we want to validate the list, we can do it. So this is what the job of lines method, which will take each individual word into string and we can store it in a list. Fine, I hope it is useful. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.